Hi guys, Serena Smith here on my Module 13, Copyright and Fair Use Laws. Question number 1 says, after reviewing the copyright and fair use websites, which area surprised you the most as breaking copyright laws or not meeting the fair use criteria? I was most shocked about the part that talked about the films in the classroom. Because growing up, I watched movies in the classroom, and I know that my children have. They do now, and I know in the classroom I'm working in now, we also do as well. So I was really shocked about that part of it. And number 2 says, what examples have you experienced where educators have broken copyright laws and fair use policies, and is it really that big of a deal? And like I just said, I grew up watching those, like if it was a special occasion at school, maybe it was Christmas, we watched a Christmas movie, or Thanksgiving, a Thanksgiving movie, just for being rewarded. That's one way that teachers do that, is by showing a movie. And yeah, it actually is it is a big deal, because I didn't expect it to be until researching this, but these laws and regulations are put into place for a reason, to protect the creators, and we need to protect those rights as well, as an educator. Because if it were us, we would, if we were the creator, we would expect other people to protect our rights as well. Number 3, how did you score on the quiz? And what question surprised you the most? I did not do as well on the quiz as I expected to. I got a 70, and I really thought I did better than that. I thought some of the questions were a little bit tricky or confusing, but that's okay. The question that surprised me the most was the second question, about the software program being purchased by a teacher and then letting the other teachers use it, and how the school was held responsible for that as well. That is a big deal, knowing that your school can also be in trouble for for doing it at the school as well. So I guess we just, as educators, need to, I'm glad we were educated on that, so when I become an educator, I will know the rules to be able to do things correctly and not break the laws. There was just so much to remember reading all that, and it's a lot of responsibility, and to make sure that it's done correctly, so that your school is not at fault as well. And that's my reflection. Thanks.